Chapter 9. Interdependence in Environment. Everything around us make up our environment. All the living things such as animals, plants and non-living things such as table, chair, desk, etc. are found in our environment. All the living things need air, water and land to survive. Components of environment. Our environment has the following two components: biotic and abiotic. Let us know about them. Biotic components. All the living things found on the earth are called biotic components of the environment. Human beings, plants, animals and even the microorganisms that can be seen through microscope only form the biotic components. Abiotic components. The non-living things that we see on the earth are called abiotic components of the environment. Soil, water, air, minerals, etc. Dependence of biotic and abiotic components. All the living and non-living things are interdependent. In other words, we can say that all the living things are closely interconnected with the non-living things. Dependence of plants on abiotic components. Air, water and light are abiotic components and all the plants need them for their growth. So, plants depend on abiotic components of the environment. In the same way, other living things too depend on their environment for food, water and air. Dependence of animals on plants. Like us, animals also depend greatly on plants for food and shelter. Squirrels make their home, known as drays, in the trunks of trees. Monkeys, koala, sloth, etc. live on the branches of trees. Birds build their nests in trees. Zebras, elephants, giraffes, deer, etc. live under the shade of the trees. On the basis of feeding habits, animals can be called as 1. Herbivores. Animals which eat only plants are known as herbivores, e.g. deer, giraffe, zebra, elephant, etc. 2. Carnivores. Animals which eat flesh of other animals are known as carnivores, e.g. lion, tiger, crocodile, cheetah, etc. 3. Omnivores. Animals which eat both plants and flesh of other animals are known as omnivores, e.g. human being, bear, crow, etc. All the animals directly or indirectly depend on plants. Let us understand it with this example. In the given picture, the goat eats plants and the lion eats the goat. If there are no plants, the goat will not survive. And if the goat will not survive, what will the lion eat? It will not get any flesh to eat and will die soon. The picture always displays that the biotic components are interdependent. So, we should maintain a proper balance among all the components of the environment. Food chain. It displays the sequence of events in an ecosystem where one organism consumes another, and subsequently, that organism becomes the food for a larger creature. This flow of nutrients and energy between organisms makes a food chain. All the start of a food chain are the green plants. Green plants are called the producers as they make their own food. Plants are consumed by herbivores. So, we call them the primary consumers. All herbivores are eaten up by the carnivores and omnivores. So, we call them the secondary consumers. When carnivores die, bacteria and fungi feed on their dead bodies. So, these fungi and bacteria are called decomposers. They break down the dead animals into nutrients. These nutrients get mixed with the soil and are again used up by the plants. This process continues forever. Balance in nature. Look at the given food chain. If all the eagles are killed, it will increase the population of snakes. As the number of snakes increases, this will decrease the population of frogs. As we see, snakes feed on frogs. Now the less population of frogs will increase the population of grasshoppers. We know that the grasshoppers are herbivores and they will eat up all the plants and food crops soon. So, all living beings including humans will get affected. So, The disturbance in any part of the food chain would disturb the balance in nature. Maintaining balance in nature. It is own duty to maintain the balance in nature. We should follow these steps to do so. There should be a heavy penalty on the factories and vehicles which release smoke and ashes. Our government should ban the cutting of trees. We should encourage all people to grow more and more trees. Our government has started programs like Van Mahotsav and social forestry, where people grow trees on wastelands. Our government has set up many national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and tiger reserves in different parts of our country. None is allowed to kill wild animals here. That is why the population of wild animals has increased remarkably in these zones. Some of the important national parks and wildlife sanctuaries of India